Hi everybody, it's Jeff from Close to Home in Glastonbury here with a very exciting announcement. We have just received the brand new Seth Apter line from Free Spirit Fabrics, Live Out Loud. It's a really beautiful line. It really spans a wide range of colors and has this great mixed media style. And I also wanted to mention that coming up in October, on the 5th of October, we are hosting a special event where Seth Apter is going to come in and do a fabric framework workshop. There's a whole kit that you're going to get when you come in, and you'll get to get his expertise on mixed media, learn a little bit about the fabrics, and just have a great time. We had him last year for a lecture, and he was a great down-to-earth guy who has a very different way of thinking about fabric. And we're really excited to have him back. So don't miss that. That's coming up on Saturday, October 5th, and we'll see you there.